Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time, but what we're gonna do today is basically just play with some makeup I got for Christmas. Just testing out a few of the new products that I got and seeing how they work out. So let's get started. So this was the first thing that I'm gonna use right now, and it's the Too Faced Gingerbread House Step. It's like magnetic, which is really cool. So it's this part here. Sticks right back on. Super cool. So this is the actual roof. It smells so good. It smells like chocolate basically. But it's like a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight. A little gingerbread man. And it is 4 different glitters and then 2 matte shades. And then you have the main palette. Cute picture here, and you got all of these colors. Okay, so I zoomed you guys, and obviously my brows are already done. I'm gonna start, which is the Shadow and Shirts by Too Faced. So I'm gonna go in the second row and get this shade here, which is kind of just a neutral, basically under my eyebrow. Oh, on another brush, I'm gonna go to the second to last row and hit this shade in this corner here. And I'm just gonna try to start light-handedly and just start popping it into the crease. Just going back to my first brush, and I'm using the first color I was using and putting it right over top just to start blending that a little bit more. Brown shade, kind of pack it. Very first purple. Loving. So I'm going to get what I need to kind of cut my crease out, and I'll be back with the next product. So I'm gonna start cleaning up. We're gonna stick with this and get going to the next product. Okay, so the next product is actually by Beauty Bar Baby, and it's these multi-chrome flakes in the shade Venus. They're these gorgeous flakes. So I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. glitter glue. It's probably a little too much actually. And when I say it's flakes, it's literally, oh, it's so pretty. Little flutters everywhere, and some of my eyelashes too. I will say they're a little bit on the more pricier end. Each little container is, I think, like 12 bucks. Guys, I've never seen anything or any product that does anything as close to what this is doing. Is it gonna be a little bit of hassle? Yeah. Oh, this glitter down here? Yeah, it is. But the payoff is tremendous. And I'm just gonna pack it like right on this outer corner here. I'm just gonna press it here and go over it pretty softly, like that. The roof, and hit it in the bronzer. The blush that came in this palette, I'm going to So I dang it. Highlight. And another thing I got for Christmas was the Fenty Kilowatt set. Now I know this has been out for a while, but I never bought it. So here it is. I think this one will go good with my overall look pretty much. If not that one, the center one could too, but it's like either or, and I think I'm gonna go with that top one. Next I'm going to talk about is the that McGrath Star Wars collection. Before for that one, I'm going to line with the Wet n Wild gel liner in Bear to Comment. So another thing I was wondering if I should overlap my Pat McGrath with the Fenty, which I think I will. Let me pull the shade I'm thinking of. It comes with 5 shades. Here's 4 of the shades, and here's the 5th one because I think that's what I'm going to use. The one I'm going to use is called Confetti. So I'm going to use the lip in Confetti. So lastly would be setting spray, which I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter as I usually do. For what I used, the Beauty Bar Baby Flakes. Amazing. Like, I understand you guys can't see it. I'm sorry, my camera can't pick it up. I don't think any camera really could pick it up just because how iridescent and multi-chrome they are, but they're gorgeous. The Too Faced holiday gingerbread set, whatever, that was really good in my opinion. I really liked that too. Since Christmas I have tried multiple shades from the Fenty kit. They look great by themselves, and I did try since I got that Star Wars lipstick from Pat McGrath. It looks amazing by itself, but doubled up it looks stunning too, so there's nothing wrong with that either. But basically the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye.